When it's time for a new AC system, Total Air Solutions is the local expert you want to call. We'll provide a free estimate, customized recommendations, and expert installation with our gold standard 10-year parts and labor warranty for every new system.
Living here in Florida, having good air conditioning services is an absolute necessity. So my suggestion would be anybody that's got air conditioning issues, give Total Air Solutions a call.
New systems to fit every budget and financing available. Total Air Solutions, proud dealer of Carrier. Turn to the experts.